And we have another reaction coming in from Mamata Banerjee. Big fight over the issue of infiltrators is what we are witnessing in Bengal. After this clear warning came from Home Minister Amit Shah on illegals, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has hit back at the Bharatiya Janata Party. And according to her, Bangla-speaking people are being branded as Bangladeshis. According to her, BJP is harassing people in the garb of SIR exercise. And Mamata Banerjee has also claimed that BJP even calls her a Bangladeshi. Listen in.
বাংলা ভাষায় কথা বললেই বলছেন বাংলাদেশি। 1947 সালের আগে তিনটে দেশ তো এক ছিল। ওপার বাংলা থেকে অনেকে এপার বাংলায় এসছে, এপার বাংলা থেকে অনেকে ওপার বাংলায় গেছে, পাঞ্জাব থেকে অনেকে পাকিস্তানে গেছে। দুটো রাজ্য তো সাফার করেছে, একটা বাংলা আর একটা পাঞ্জাব। মাথায় রাখবেন। আজকে বলছে এসআইআর এর নামে অনুপ্রবেশকারী হাঁটাবো। এতদিন কি করছিলেন? দুধ ভাত খাচ্ছিলেন না? এতদিন পিঠে ভালো খাচ্ছিলেন? তাও তো আবার নাকি খান না আপনারা। আপনারা তো আবার বাংলার খানা পছন্দ করেন না। যদি আপনার বাবা মাকে এইভাবে ডেকে নিয়ে গিয়ে একটা 95 বছরের মহিলাকে তিনতলার উপর উঠিয়ে জিজ্ঞেস করতো, আজকে তাকেও প্রমাণ দিতে হবে যে তিনি বাংলার নাগরিক কিনা। আমাকেও বলে বাংলাদেশি।
Let's go back to my colleague Rajesh, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Rajesh, so the Chief Minister saying that anyone who speaks in Bangla is branded Bangladeshi by the BJP. Okay, we'll try and reconnect with Rajesh in just a bit, but this is a fresh attack that we are seeing coming in from West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Rajesh, my colleague, is back with us on the broadcast. Rajesh, another scathing attack we've seen coming in from West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. According to her, anyone who speaks in Bangla is branded Bangladeshi by the BJP.
That was the allegation leveled by Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and she said this yesterday during the foundation stone laying ceremony of Durgangan yesterday. And Mamata Banerjee, not only Mamata Banerjee, entire Trinamool Congress has been alleging that BJP in the especially BJP ruled state, BJP are leveling all the Bengalis as Bangladeshi for speaking Bengali. So is speaking Bengali a crime for Bengalis? When the BJP is trying to make this issue of infiltration, on the other hand, TMC is attacking back BJP by this Bengal issue, by saying that, by raising question that why BJP is against Bengal, why BJP is against Bengalis, why BJP hates Bengal. So this is the issue of TMC for this upcoming election. TMC is trying to portray the BJP as an anti-Bengal party. TMC is trying to portray BJP as anti-Bengali party for this upcoming election. We have seen since several days a lot of TMC leaders has been alleging that BJP leaders are continuously harassing Bengalis.
This war of words, we can just say, is going to intensify as we move closer to the assembly elections of 2026 in Bengal. Thank you very much, Rajesh, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs. Let's now move on.